YouTube, this is JWillMakeAWay. So everybody has been raving about the Stack-A-Name system, but I've been getting questions. How do we make it bigger? How do we make it smaller? Here's a simple fix. I'm here to show you. So with this system, it's modular. And this allows you to be able to stack it, restack it if you don't want to glue it together. And also you can scale it. You can scale it as small as you want or as big as you want. I've seen people get 5-letter names down to 10 inches. So let's show you how to do that. So one of the possibilities you have to do is to scale the letters individually. Now, if you want to scale a letter individually, say I want to do ABC, what you're going to do. So first, what you're going to do, you're going to select your letter, make sure it's highlighted, and then we're going to go ahead to the scale tool. Now in the scale tool, it changes things into X, Y, and Z directions. You want to make sure you keep uniform scale on. This allows for no shrinkage of your hole. So it's about 208, 205, so it's about 8 inches tall, a little bit more. So if we want to make it shorter, we can go here and we can type in the number. Say we want to make it 150, so we'll go 150, boom. Now we scaled it down to 150 so that everything goes uniform, because again, you want everything to adjust so it fits the sizing. And another cool trick is here. Say I got my scale and I don't want to write all these numbers in. What I would do, I would just click and see that it's highlighted and click the next letter, and it'll scale it for you. Click, scale. Try it again. Click here, go to scale tool, click. Do it simple, just take the number and just hit enter. So now you have your letter scale. Then we got to go down. If we got it at 30, go here. Got it at 300.77. We'll just go select the spacers. We'll click this spot. Boom. Click this spot. Boom. It didn't work that time, but you get the gist. You want to just make sure you scale it down to the same percentages. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Enter. Boom. Boom. Enter. So now you're going to do all that for all the pieces here. That way you can scale all your pegs and all your size into everything. And then you will be able to have the right letters. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to scale everything all together at one time. Okay, now we got a fresh bed. We got new letters. We re-download everything. Comes in a regular size. Now you're saying, hey, I don't want to sit here and do that with every letter. What's the easier way? Got you. So you hit Control on your keyboard and you hit A. Control A. And when you hit Control A inside this gray area, it'll allow you to select all the letters, all the pegs, all the spaces, because we want all the things. So now that we have a system selected, we're going to get different percentages. Now these are going to give you like 100%, just the size of everything. So remember, your letters are at 8 inches tall. So you got to do a little bit of math. So if I want to do 6 inches instead of 8 inches, I would just do the math. Simply like 6 divided. I would just simply do the math. You want 6, that's at the top, but you got 8, that's at the bottom. And if you do the division, it's 0.75 times by 100, you got 75%. Thanks to my math teacher. So now we're going to go touch the scale here, make sure it's in uniform scale as well, and then we're going to type in 75. And what that's going to do is going to scale everything down. Now the only drawback is everything scales down, so you just have to move everything back to their associated build plate. So now when I click on the letter and I go look at the sizing, I can see that it sits right at 6 inches. And that's how you scale your letters. Scale it up, scale it down. One system, endless possibilities. Thanks for watching. This is your host JWill from JWillMakeAWay. Like, share, subscribe, and keep on showing them letters. I see y'all out here doing y'all thing.